Hello, today I'm going to show you how to delete photos from your Apple Watch. So, this feature is going to work on the all Apple Watches the same, so it really doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it is all going to work the same. So, let's go to the photos on the Apple Watch by pressing the digital crown. You're going to be in the all apps menu and autofocus, come on, let's go. Sorry for my camera. Now let's go to the photos by clicking on the photos icon, and as you can see we have some photos. And how to add photos, we have another video on our channel, so let's just search for that if you want to know how to add your photos to your album. And I also said in that video how you should do it to work it properly, to make it easier for you, to, some hints, tips and hints. So, as you can see, we have some photos right here. It doesn't matter what are these photos. If you're gonna click on them and hold, there's going nothing to happen. And as you can see, you cannot really delete a photo from your Apple Watch by itself. You cannot do this. You can share, but you cannot, you just cannot delete it. You cannot, select a photo or click a bin icon or something. So, what you want to do is to go to your album that is synchronized with your Apple Watch. And to see which album is synchronized with your Apple Watch, just go to the Watch app on your iPhone and swipe a little bit down and go to the photos. Just click, and here, as you can see, the album, the synchronized album is the H Watch. You can only choose one album to synchronize, and you can choose the photo limit. I've talked about it in that video, how to add photos to your iPhone. So, as you can see, TH Watch, the album name, which we are interested in. So now let's go to the photos on the iPhone, and as you can see, this is this album, the TH Watch. So as you can see, we have these photos that are right here, and we are going, for example, let's delete these two. Sorry. And as you can see, we can delete it. So let's just delete, and now, as you can see, the photo that I have deleted on the iPhone has already deleted on the Apple Watch. Let's do the same. Delete. The photo has deleted. So this is how you delete photos from your Apple Watch, and this is the only way that you can do it. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.